So Lasuba is responding to DOS members, and she started by claiming that she's not a independent media. The same thing that she used to insult people. I'm not gonna waste much time. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe. Lasuba is a comedian, like I told you many times. She's responding to Patrick Ikem, and she said a lot. She said a lot. Okay, people used to say that this woman is that she will just sober up with alcohol and come back to and arise. She will come to she will come to dress people. So we are here to go through that. Please, is just please calm down and laugh. This woman is something else. Very, very funny woman being. Yeah. Oh my goodness. La Zuba. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel and share it to many platforms of your choice. Very, very important that you do so. So let's go there because La Zuba I can't wait to hear what she said. You yourself, you are gonna pick interest on this because some of the things she said is quite okay, but some claim is quite funny. Hear this.
Belong on na okay, can you belong on a mind? Adam way belong on any nonsense your owner and a kita, it belong in here. In on your Ibonius, you go more than them and they get as higher. Even independent media, Biafra independent media. One of my God.
They have independent media. No, if you ever get that, I was independent media. I thought it's a problem to be independent person, independent media. From there, you are no longer. I'm no longer for Biafra. Maybe I continue. Lazuba.
So, and I'm not gonna social media where we take this to even now. I'm gonna even that nature. I want the kind of I don't know ever see radio one that. Mana it's like these people natural never they go to Biafra to stupid all of them. All of them from A to Z. Why this not the stupid? Why this not the stupid that now? Only alone known a being to we don't do Syria war. Of that coming in your I was in Noka, Biafra. Some people they will know now or boy was no or book or book backer. I am not for the in Biafra. It is a wood or boy goosey or boys and or book backer nor book tomato or antique whatever evidence or abalote, yan or book. Hey, about time I'm even away from about
Mamma is a bit
money and
I'm a ballot.
After another dog of sell out, so I didn't go all I'm good of
I can miss calling him and kind of a goes on a blessing. I can miss most good one. Oh, can I just go to police here? That's why KBC why to get this. I don't think I can fit a guy in a book post that column, much and is Dick a one becumbe.
This is stupid people do not social media, they make noise. But this is Biafra. Will not trust or wait now, or boy back class who will keep. How will it is all that in a Biafra mother make Biafra and is a nation? Only a woman being property, money in your monarchy. I don't remember this guy is the post. You man make a chile, I will plan make a chile. Or where Papa would hope that make a chile, chala for ya, half a passier. Lying, quite well, how queer 1 week to 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I ate it so. We can never change his honor. I'm under the group of IPOB. One under the group of dog of sellouts and the group of company. We know all of them. And we are waiting. They are not going to go to that. They are not.
I support them again. I can't to look.
The guest leader, it will reach that leader that I don't know how much of the counting that is going to win the guest leader, it will reach that leader that he built. So you know the kind of sophistication.
Now, they're the useless idiot. Somebody will share a criminal or a body, but I don't get to know. You say to be the fully idiot man. A betrayer, a son.
Nah, and the one flying gave you going to and they went outside. Lasuba.
Useless human being, is rubbish, criminal media rubbish. Are you not ashamed of yourself? That in a woman of 70-something years or getting to 70-something years, they are rubbish, zombies, are you not ashamed of yourself to call yourself a powerful media? You were powerful media there. Can you meet your powerful media when I put up? He's just what I wanted the master now the can on. A powerful media than our leader. A powerful media betrayal. Can you meet your powerful media when they expose? Without ask me, and I'm going to come and answer me. I don't come to tell you this rubbish. Still, I'm going to do my airport today.
You should tag him. See where I would you money for today. Okay, I'm going to negative.
That in a woman of 70-something years or getting to 70-something years, are you not ashamed of yourself to call yourself a powerful media? You were powerful media there. Can you meet your powerful media when I put up? He's just what I wanted the master now the can on. A powerful media than our leader. A powerful media betrayal. Can you meet your powerful media when they expose? Without ask me, and I'm going to come and ask.
Oh, say, ask me. Ask me. Oh, instead of answer me. Anyway, there's a get the focal about I mean this local about men to talk and get at this thing. Now, ya would you know my half sit I guys see when I would know my forward button. To tell you why, if any man do cool, I used to even if I for first time no Mazakwa. Ya boy is put a cool now, why I know I would on a water or or to Java or better as a broadcast. See when I would share my alpha. Oh, we see my don't go over my nose only cook man or go over my call.
I don't come to tell you this rubbish. I'm going to do my airport today. And after I can say,
so Chita Nogi gas of Logi would my alpha. See where I would you know me out for every and that's a gas as I go today. That one, the one media, Lasuba. Ni would you go my alpha? No, they put a case I go today. The question about all you would you my alpha gas or we give you the sequels. Oh, good, Todd. Hey, oh, this part really caught my attention. It can't really capture my attention. See that now. See that guy, man, yeah, would you come here for gas as I would get that. So, of all the time you were, you would you my alpha, gas you. Apple get drunkard. So bad water. Ilachan code, la John now for. Oh, it was a brandy one. Oh, shake bag. Go cake you all out. By Manculo go red wine. Could they get who's aqua or not? Other possible now. I go maybe I'll go away again, but can't say no shake bag. Ask for no shake bag now, win one. And then I go off my day, no shake bag now. No, you love the shake bag that. If I would accuse it, if you know that was a
I'm get to know. You say to be the fully idiot man. his rubbish, criminal media rubbish. Whatever are you not ashamed of yourself? That in a woman of 70 something years or 30 to 70 something years,
okay, this woman on a watch, Lolo Neka on a good about 70 years, close to 70 years. I want them that woman, although if I'm no way, will oil and corner, you know, king water, king water. Just let me know in the comment section. The woman on the Google now, all the participants, all the mention this guy is a son. I don't know the person that she referred to because money also money is share holiday the outcome. So yeah, I would you now for another. Money for now wonder like I'm not supportive of US criminals. These guys are useless people. But that's what we have said we go kill leg. Why could we? So you reply, man, go ahead, but sit guy go say go now would you go my so or not or come on told them and I or say no go me I don't understand because why I look at so how tricky. They get
Are you not ashamed of yourself to call yourself a powerful media? You were powerful media there. Can you reach your powerful media when they put up? Is there what I want to mass and not the canon? A powerful media that I want to
sit again. Sit Gary, I didn't want to man.
Can you reach your powerful media when they expose? Ask me.
Ask me.
Come and answer me. I don't come to tell this rubbish. She said I'm going to my for today.
How do you go to fish my people? So no wonder. I'm not to get anything in the get now where we man know whiskey the kind of money that we man know whiskey the kind of money they go for this one. She think a very bad religion away. Anyway, let's continue.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? All these European medias, hard raw stupid like you people, hard raw hopeless like you people. You are an idiot by calling yourself a powerful media. A powerful media because of Simon Ekano was here. A back in on Simon. A powerful media, with your stupid powerful media. A powerful media on the underground for 5 years ago, underground. Because of what I say, business. People want to conscious, people want to be because a man came media, powerful media. The word to your master. You will changing your powerful that your stupid powerful media to fight area. You will wear your media powerful. We're not underground for 5 good years. After that is your master, life prison. You supposed to put out this claim to be a powerful media. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Because nobody is listening to you, nobody is talking to you people. Because no one can say watch. One of my kids at the family had the white boy out. I told you I wouldn't see if I would do. One idea, one challenge you. I can do a challenge to get a stand. Oh, whatever I done, but I make it up at the Baba. I'm going to see you. Why can't you wear your power? I said, where are you people? Because these people were very accountable to the actually, all of them. Talk of why I'm like this actually they go to the they can gather all the nonsense, they can gather all the criminals, they can gather all zombies, they can gather all the nonsense for you on social media. They are nobody. I can assure them they are nobody. They are criminals, and we can never follow criminals. We can never listen to criminals. All of them, anybody come out, claim that now IPOB. Although this dog of sellout, Onda Chinasa won't water. Onda then Benjamin what book water. Onda if I get job for the water, Chile no.
You can see how energetic because all of a sudden all of a sudden we don't know when I cause it. Anyway, DOS and all these gangsters, they deserve any response and any attack. They deserve it 100%. 100%. So I just want you to hear that Lasuba have admitted before I analysis. Please let me know what you think about it and subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Lasuba. I was sit again. Now, go me for that.